Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Farm Manager Minute. My name is Casey Watson and I'm with First Mid-Ag Services out of Peoria, Illinois. The content for today's episode takes place in Henry County, Illinois on a barn foundation repair we completed last year. Most old barns have deteriorated structurally over time and are not as practical for modern use and equipment storage and end up being torn down. However, some landowners desire to preserve the nostalgia and hopes for future generations to enjoy. This particular barn still had good framework underneath and a solid roof. However, the foundation and part of the floor were in need of repair. The foundation supporting the west wall was starting to crumble and give way, leaving that side of the barn to settle and compromise the structural integrity of the building. We enlisted the help of a structural engineer to draw up a plan that was executed by a local contractor for the repair. The barn had to be raised and squared up to allow enough room for the excavation of the old foundation and pouring of the new. There was also a section of the floor inside that was crumbling and needed replaced, along with a few pieces of barn siding that could not be salvaged. It took nearly a year from start to finish to get all the pieces of the project put together and for the weather to cooperate, but the end result turned out well and will help preserve this barn for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future updates.